Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you a glam holiday look that is neutral because you voted on it in my Instagram stories. I offered red lip or neutral and you picked neutral. You guys are killing me. I should do black lip holiday tutorial. Just kidding. So anyhow, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I didn't say it's gonna be boring, but it is gonna be neutral. So if you wanna watch me transform, keep watching. Otherwise, you're a cotton-headed ninny muggins. Oh my God, I'm just kidding. Look, I can practically fit my face in this cup. I'm gonna try to edit out the times I'm drinking from my coffee cup. By the way, that is Pete's Holiday Brew with my Califia Peppermint Mocha Almond Milk Creamer. It's a lovely combination. I'm going to start with my eye makeup because if I want to do some glitter or foil or something shiny and pretty for the holidays, if there's any fallout or just kind of, you know, random shakedown of product down your face, it's good to start with the eyes and then you can just clean everything up with your foundation and concealer. I'm using Wonder 2 Prime and Behold. This is a primer you can use for anywhere on the face. You can use it for your lips, you can use it for your eyelids, you can use it on your cheeks like glue. I mean, it's not sticky, but it does make a really good shadow base. And I thought because I'm sort of deciding between what to do. So my Mystics Bad Habit palette has some really good just neutral browns, but also some good duochromes. And then I've got my Jouer Ultrafoil Holiday palette, which is just gorgeous because of all the pretty sparkly shades. And then I have my Wanderous Off Duty, which I thought would make some really good transition shades, some good, you know, basics to start with. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just starting with a fluffy brush in the shade Shoreline. And I'm going all over the lid. I got my eyebrows dyed at Ulta at the Benefit bar, and it's just funny because, I should say tinted, because she did like an ash shade, you know, kind of a taupey ash. And with my highlights, I feel like my brows look so dark, but actually on camera right now, they seem to kind of even out. But at home, when I've been walking around and catching my reflection in the mirror, I'm just like, wow, who's Cara Delevingne in my house? Oh wait, it's me. So this is going to be just my start, and then I'm gonna go in this, see how it's like neutral, but oh my gosh, it's so much fun. I'm gonna take a thinner brush and just go in to this shade Vision and really focus on the outer corner. I feel what I'm envisioning is like neutrals and pastels, but lots of gleam. Let's take an even thinner brush and go in Resurrection, which is like a very cocoa brown, kind of ashy brown. Carving out the corner. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Jouer foil and I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to go in with Twilight, which is this silvery one, and I am going to first use my finger. It does come off as a pretty much like a steel. Make sure there's no, I'm just kind of doing it in the center. Oh, see my fallout? But I'm just rubbing that in, okay? Just you wait. Okay. I'm going to use a brush, a synthetic brush. I'm going to put some spray, Spellbound. That's this pink one right here. See that? And I'm going to do it right here. I'm gonna take Heat Wave from the Wander palette, and I'm just gonna here. And then I'm going to take Starfish in the same palette, and I'm going to put that up under my eyebrow right here. And I'm taking the Jouer white one and I'm putting it on the very tail of my brow. And actually, that's what I'm going to do on the inner corner. I'm going to go in with Moonstone. And just go right here. Whoopsie-doo. I need more. Good. There we go. So now we've done the corner. See, this is why putting it on first is just, yeah, when you have the time. I'm gonna use some Laura Mercier primer. This is, I have black eyeshadow on my nose. Hello, hello. Oh my God. Laura Mercier Radiant Primer. I used to not like this stuff at all. I was like, it's too radiant. Now I kind of like it a lot, so. Never say never. Now we are going into the Fenty foundation. I haven't used this on camera in a long time, and I thought, what perfect time than the holidays to bust this girl out. She is in shade 150. And this was a foundation featured a million years ago. I love this foundation. It's got such a beautiful full coverage. So I'm using my Sonia Kashuk sponge just because, one, I like to mix it up. You know, you guys, I have a family of sponges here on my table, and they always get jealous when one doesn't get picked up in a while. And then I feel like this way I can mix and match drugstore and high-end, so you guys can get the full idea of how I run around here. I can use a $50 foundation with a $5 makeup sponge, no problem. And now I'm using my Dalton Hydrolux concealer. I really want to get some concealer up here. That's the one bummer about putting your makeup on after your eyeshadow. I could have put concealer up there. Nothing was stopping me from doing that except I'm an idiot. Let's do some setting powder. I'm using Wowder. I am Remember this guy, the Naked Skin shapeshifter with the cream and the powder, and ran across her the other day, and I'm like, yeah, let's... I feel like I have to give some love to some old favorites. I think I didn't like this at first and then it grew on me. I can't remember. I'm gonna do a little bit down my nose. That's nice. I'm gonna add a little bit of color to my cheeks with this LA Girl blush in the shade Just Natural. Wow. See, it's so pretty. You guys, I need to talk about some highlighter that never gets talked about. This is JD Glow, and it is an indie company, and I bought this online a while ago. It comes with this sponge taped inside to keep it protected. This glow is insane. These products are like all hand poured, I think. They are amazing, and they have liquid lips, and they just have the most incredible highlighters and liquid lips. So I decided, you know what? It's a special occasion. I'm gonna pop on some Marilyn Monroe JD Glow highlight. Ready? Watch. Haha! Might have overdone that. It's super shimmery. They have all kinds of shades. It's definitely not for the faint of heart. If you are a little scared of highlighter, don't use it. Go with this e.l.f. one instead. So nice and subtle, so pretty and affordable. Okay, now let's, let me do some quick eyebrows with my Doll 10 Archmaster. Yes. But see, they're filled in kind of with tint, and I feel like my job is just about done. I feel like I need some liner, and you guys, Mireness from Australia sent me a little PR package, and there's this dual-ended kitten liner in here. It's a felt tip one. It has a thick end and a thin end. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. So I'm gonna do just a little bit. And yes, this mirror is from Hot Topic. I'm only gonna do a little on the end. Not doing a flick. Just a little. So I'm going to go into Mystic, and I'm going to take a shader brush that's short, and I'm going to go in Vision. I'm going to go underneath. Just kind of gently shading under there. So Mireness also sent me this Magic BB Glow powder, which is a finishing powder. It is talc free. It is the softest. I mean, I can't get over. It's not shimmery like highlight. It's just soft. So I'm going to use it as a finishing powder. So I'm going to just set some my brush in the little sieve. I'm going to shake off some excess, and we're just going to blend. I have a sample here of the YSL mascara, the Shock. So I'm just using that. So mascara is applied, and now for a lip. And with a neutral look comes a neutral lip. So I'm not going to steer you guys wrong and do something crazy. I am going in with my Jouer Tawny Rose Perfect Lip Liner. For me, it's like, it's high end. Of the high-end lip liners, I love Jouer and Kat Von D, because I haven't, to be honest with you, I haven't tried like Hourglass or anything because they're expensive. Now, options. We have, I'm going in with Almay Lip Vibes in Go Wild. So good. It's matte, it's soft, it's cheap. We can either leave it the way it is, or we can do two things, one of two things. This is Glitter Fix from Maybelline. It is their glitter lip gloss top coat. This is the gold one. I think I've shown you guys this one before. It's really nice. And then Pacifica has this Crystal Punk, if it's still at Target. And it's in Spaced Out, and that's pretty too. And it's a little more subtle. It's really pretty. It's more kind of icy pink. So let's give the gold one a try, because I like the texture of this Maybelline one. Whoa. I mean, what? Right? Ooh. That just like picked up the color in my eyeshadow. That was weird. I don't know if you guys saw that, like I saw that. I was like, all of a sudden yellow kind of popped. Here we are. Are we holiday neutral glam? Obviously, you can go all out. You can take things further or reel them in if you want. I kind of like the balance of a little bit of color, a little bit of neutral, lots of sparkle, lots of gleam, you know, but it's also kind of sweet and pink and pretty. It's pretty, right? Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't yet, please do so. Click that bell, because I hear it does something about notifying you, but I'm not sure if it really works. And give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and I hope you're enjoying this holiday season, whatever you celebrate and wherever you are at. And thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.